to see what the tooth fairy left you, Mia? It's over there where you left your tooth at.
Did the tooth fairy come?
Yep, last night. I gotta turn on the light, okay, so I can see.
Oh, I want that.
Mia, look around. Look right there beside your radio.
So, yeah, the tooth fairy comes. Oh, she gave me. It in my box. I know what I just want to do with this money.
What's that? You look at Mommy and tell me.
I know what I want to do with this money.
What?
I want to share with my mommy.
Oh, baby, you can keep the money. It's for you. If you want, you pay your piggy bank.
No. I don't know what the tooth fairy